Hello, this is an update for a previously shared technical analysis on EURUSD with a trade idea. This was on Forex Live, published on July 7th. For those that want to follow some of our technical analysis ideas, you can either Google us, Forex Live Technical Analysis. You can try to Google the Forex pair or the index, or sometimes the commodities that interest you to see if we're covering that. And some of our technical analysis don't have trade ideas. And if we find something that's interesting, we do. It's at your own consideration, trade at your own risk. And this was a trade long idea looking to fade the Euro USD pair as it came close to parity, and basically where the euro pierced the value 1. So 1 euro was worth a little bit less than $1. And then we had 3 buy orders because we can never know, one can never know even if the trade idea does play out, where exactly will be the turning point. It's impossible to know that. So we scattered 3 buy orders, and only one was filled at the 9957. And then the question becomes, what does one do now? And because this is basically price just pierced slightly. We basically picked the bottom there, which was a bit lucky. And the question is, what do we do now? It was lucky and not lucky because we did have a plan to do something like that. But it was the fact that it got pierced by such a little bit was, I think, a bit of luck too. So now, because the stop loss originally, was recommended to be this. Oh, sorry, yeah, this. And now this, so 9794, which is here, and it's quite far. And we are seeing a sign of strength, This here, this wick, and the jump up, and also taking out this now a little gap. These are all signs of strength. And in this case, we don't need to risk so much. We can protect our profit. We're 130 pips up on our long. And now the stop loss, this will be moved up to the entry. Basically, a trader would not be risking anything further anymore, excluding maybe some slippage or some fees, but these are very minor. And basically now looking at the 130 pips profit, they would be at least protecting the downside that it completely overturns and brings a loss. So other traders, what they could do is they could take partial profit here. For example, 1/4, would be an interesting one to do, 25% of the position. Others would wait, see this moving average. We're actually on the 12-hour candles, but still the real moving average on other time frames is not too far from there. And they could go for something like this, below that moving average, and at the top of this, at the high of 13th of July, that would be 1.01224. So here, about here, excuse me, around there, it's a bit slanted, but you get the point. Let's do it. Let's do it exactly, so it'll be a little bit nicer. It's here. They could be taking full profit or half profit here. That would be about I think 170 pips, which is nice. And they can also just go on the original take profit, which is here, and it was stated over here at the take profit. So 1.032. You could maintain that. So this is just to show that once there's a strength, a very sign of strength, and we've got some profit, then we can move our original stop up, protect our position, and we can also be looking at, before the original take profit idea or target, we can even look at taking a quarter or a half or a third of the position away, take some chips home, protect some profits, and also maintain the stop. So we're already profitable. These are sort of some considerations that can be done. On the other hand, some people can say, I took one profit here, 1/3 I'm going to maybe take here. I'm going to put my stop at the entry, and I'm going to even wait and possibly go for more because your USD can also go later to 110. So that supports an idea where sometimes you got to leave a little bit open to the big moves, and these are the places to do so because you're already protecting some of the profit in the way that was shown. So in summary, this was a recap of the trade idea provided on the 11th of July, where we caught only one order. Then what to do with that? We mentioned what to do, that you can raise the stop and looking ahead. So it's a way of sticking to the original plan, but adapting and revising it according to your risk appetite and your take profit wishes. Thank you. Have a good week.